Welcome to Peghorn Nature Park in St. Cloud, Florida. We decided to take a day and check this place out. We're taking a step back in time. As you can see, it looks like it's pretty historic. There's gardens, an old schoolhouse we hear, and there's also hiking trails. So we're kind of excited about that. So we figured we'd take the kids out and explore and see what this place has to offer. Come along, let's see. Okay, so there's a schoolhouse right here from 1890. I mean, set up to look like. I don't think it's been here since 1890. The kids they're already inside. So let's go see what they found. You guys in here? Oh wow. Look at this. This is what a schoolhouse was like back in 1890.
I am the teacher.
Yeah, this is the teacher's desk. Wow. Look at that. Would you guys like to do school in something like this?
No.
No.
I was all around.
Wow. This is cool.
Yeah. Look at the here.
A what?
So pretty. Flowers.
Yeah.
Kind of not.
How cool.
They're moving. Is this a Bible?
So I guess this is like the window. They didn't have air conditioner.
It's broken.
Yeah, well. Okay, don't really touch anything. But yeah, this is what a blacksmith would look like back then.
What are blacksmiths?
So they make things and that. Very cool. There has to be another way. Okay, so here, hold my. We see that the trail keeps going, so the girls climbed under here, and we're gonna keep going. We made it. Nature's playground. Oh my gosh. Life is never boring with them. Oh yeah, it's kind of muddy. There. Okay. Okay.
They put the hay down for that.
This is the wetlands that they talked about. Let's see how muddy it is. Here.
I see a little bridge.
Okay, let's just try to walk through it. We should be okay. Ooh! Walk to the side. Okay, try to step over mud if you are you supposed to do that?
Yeah, there's bridges.
Okay. Maybe try to step in there and then here. Follow me.
Follow Mama.
I hate getting dirty. Do we keep going, Daddy?
This defeats the purpose. We're stepping in mud just to get to the next piece of wood.
Maybe we should turn around. Maybe come when it's not so wet. It has been raining. Maybe come when it's not so wet because it has been raining and it's very muddy, so I don't think we're going to continue. I think we're going to go back. But if you don't mind the mud, by all means, you'd probably like it. But do you guys want to turn around?
Oh, yeah.
You want to keep going? Let's turn. I think we're going to turn. Mommy doesn't like to get all dirty. Ew. Oh, after all that climbing over trees. So we found another part of the trail. So we're gonna try this and see where it leads. It's cute, there's a little garden area. I love it because there's a lot of history and nature. Good little field trip for the kids. Little restaurant area or picnic area, I guess. It's nice. Hopefully this side isn't so muddy. Looks like it ended here. It looks like it, what did you see?
It's swampy. And then there's like an over there, and it's really swamp.
So yeah, it goes into a swampy area. So I think the trail ended. Woo, if you want to see it. Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is?
It's an outhouse.
It's an outhouse. Is there anything in there?
Look inside. Peek.
Yeah, see, there's a little seat. That's how they used to go potty.
I think
It's hard
that's
to.
as far as it goes.
All right, let's leave it closed. Is that how you would want to go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
So it looks like there's a garden up there we'll check out. They've been wanting to look at that. There's an old cannery. building. Getting hungry. I'm getting hungry. Can we make a salad? Look at this. It's beautiful. Ah, look at the lettuce. Okay, I don't know. If anyone gardens, don't judge me. What? Ah. Does it say what it is? Oh, like Team Chili Mayhem. Huh.
There's bird food.
This is neat. Well, there you have it, Peghorn Nature Park in St. Cloud, Florida. We had a great time here. Spent about an hour and a half here, just exploring, going on the trails, looking at the history. Really fun day. We didn't make it through all the trails because of the mud, but we did pass some girls that braved it and they made it through. So you can do it. But we had a good time. We hope you enjoyed watching. And don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and we hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.